If you want to connect to Wi-Fi on a Xiaomi Watch 5, you can, for example, press the crown in order to open the list of apps, and then you're going to scroll down to open settings. Then over here in settings, we're going to open connectivity, and then here in connectivity, you want to proceed to Wi-Fi. Here in Wi-Fi, we're going to go to add network, and then you can choose the network that you want to connect to. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. You can enter the password on your phone, or you can enter it on your watch. And there we go. If you tap here, even though it says PIN, you can actually enter the password. So let's try to enter mine. The keyboard is quite tiny, but let's see if I can actually make it work. There we go. And, well, I guess it was an incorrect password, but still, this is how you can do this. Keep in mind that the watch actually uses the same Wi-Fi that your phone uses, or actually it saves the access to all of these networks. So if you set up your watch, all of the Wi-Fi connections should be available on the watch just like you have on your phone. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.